I know waking up to more wrinkles can feel frustrating, especially when all you want is to feel confident in your skin. If you're over 60, you're not alone. After age 20, we lose about 1% of our collagen every year. And after 60, that loss speeds up, making skin thinner, drier, and saggy. But here's the hopeful part. Your body has a powerful repair crew that works while you sleep. Growth hormones rise and collagen production kicks in, but only if you give it the right fuel. In this video, I'll share 6 science-backed bedtime foods that support collagen, smooth fine lines, and boost your skin's elasticity from the inside out. Before we dive in, what's your favorite healthy nighttime snack? Drop a comment. I read every one. Number 6. A warm mug of decaffeinated green tea. Starting our list is a soothing beverage that has been studied for centuries. Green tea. The power of green tea is found in its high concentration of powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, most notably a compound known as EGCG. According to studies, EGCG is a powerhouse for skin health. Research has demonstrated that EGCG can help protect the existing collagen in your skin from being degraded by environmental factors like UV radiation. More intriguingly, clinical studies have found that drinking green tea can significantly improve skin elasticity, boost hydration, and increase skin density. It works to create a healthier, more resilient skin structure from within. A warm mug of decaffeinated green tea about an hour before bed is a wonderful ritual. The warmth is calming, and it delivers a potent supply of antioxidants to support your body's overnight healing processes. Number 5. Half an avocado. Next is a creamy and luxurious fruit packed with skin-rejuvenating nutrients, the avocado. Its main benefit comes from its high content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are critical for maintaining the health of your skin's cellular membrane, helping your skin cells retain water and stay hydrated and plump. That's not all, though. Avocados are also an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that works to protect the skin from photo damage, the aging effects caused by sun exposure over the years. According to studies, there is a direct link between a diet rich in these fats and improved skin elasticity. One pilot study even found that daily avocado consumption led to a significant increase in skin firmness and elasticity in women. For a simple snack, cut an avocado in half, add a squeeze of lemon for a boost of vitamin C, and enjoy. Number 4. Walnuts and flax seeds. This next food is a true powerhouse of skin-loving fats. A handful of walnuts with a sprinkle of flax seeds is one of the most effective additions to your evening. There's a reason why they are so special. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Our bodies cannot produce these essential fats on their own. We must get them from our diet. These fats are fundamental to our skin's natural moisture barrier, which keeps hydration in and irritants out. Consuming them helps fortify this barrier, ensuring your skin stays supple and hydrated from within. This implies that you are not just moisturizing your skin, but also fighting the inflammation that accelerates collagen breakdown. A small handful of raw walnuts or a tablespoon of ground flax seeds stirred into yogurt provides these essential fats that go to work while you sleep. If these tips are making sense so far, please tap the thumbs up button. It really helps more women over 60 discover this video and care for their skin naturally. And while you're here, tell me in the comments, which of these bedtime snacks will you try first? I'm excited to read your choices.
Number 3. A bowl of mixed berries. Next up is a treat that feels like a dessert, a bowl of mixed berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries give your skin a flood of powerful antioxidants. As we've discussed, our skin is in a constant battle with free radicals from sun and pollution. Antioxidants are your skin's bodyguards, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they can break down your collagen. Berries are rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which are exceptionally good at protecting your skin. In addition to this, berries like strawberries are loaded with vitamin C. Vitamin C aren't just an antioxidant, it is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Your body can't build new collagen without it. It is a non-negotiable ingredient for firm, youthful skin. A cup of mixed berries is a perfect low-sugar snack that arms your skin with the tools it needs to defend itself overnight. Number 2. Kiwi with Greek yogurt. Our second-to-last bedtime food is a delicious duo that packs a serious punch for your skin. A bowl of chopped kiwi paired with plain Greek yogurt. Let's start with kiwi. Ounce for ounce, this fuzzy little fruit actually contains more vitamin C than an orange. And that's a big deal when it comes to your skin. Why? Because vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Your body literally can't build collagen without it. It's like trying to knit a sweater without yarn. No matter how strong your needles are, the materials just aren't there. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor, a kind of helper molecule that your body needs to assemble collagen fibers properly. Now let's talk about the second half of this power couple, plain Greek yogurt. Collagen is a protein, and to build protein, your body needs amino acids, the building blocks. Greek yogurt happens to be a fantastic source of two key amino acids, proline and glycine. These are the exact components your body uses to form the triple helix structure of collagen, the same stuff that keeps your skin firm and smooth. But that's not all. Greek yogurt also contains live probiotics, which support your gut microbiome, and science is now crystal clear. A healthy gut is deeply connected to healthy skin. In fact, some researchers now call this the gut-skin axis. When your digestion is strong and your gut lining is healthy, it can reduce systemic inflammation that contributes to skin aging and collagen breakdown. Even better, this combination makes a beautiful nighttime ritual. Try slicing up one ripe kiwi and stirring it into half a cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can sprinkle a dash of cinnamon for extra antioxidants, or even a spoonful of ground flax seeds to sneak in some omega-3s. It's creamy, tangy, naturally sweet, and incredibly nourishing. This isn't just a snack, it's a science-backed skin treatment in a bowl.
Number 1. 2 squares of high-quality dark chocolate. And now for the one I promised that might surprise you. An indulgence that's not just delicious, but also a powerful ally for your skin. Dark chocolate. But not just any chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content. The higher the cacao percentage, the richer it is in those beneficial compounds your skin loves. The secret behind dark chocolate skin benefits lies in something called cocoflavanols. These are potent antioxidants that have been studied extensively for their ability to protect and nourish skin from the inside out. In fact, a 24-week clinical study found that people who consumed a flavanol-rich cocoa drink showed significant improvements in skin elasticity and even a visible reduction in wrinkles. Imagine enjoying a little treat that actually helps your skin bounce back and look smoother. But the benefits don't stop there. Other research has confirmed that these flavanols help boost hydration by increasing blood flow to your skin. This means better delivery of nutrients and oxygen to keep your skin glowing and plump. Plus, the improved circulation helps skin cells repair and renew themselves more efficiently overnight. Even more exciting is a recent study from late 2024 that revealed cocoa powder can stimulate the production of hyaluronic acid, a natural molecule in your skin that holds moisture and helps keep your skin soft and supple. It also promotes collagen synthesis, supporting firmer, more youthful skin as you rest. So having 1 or 2 squares of this high-quality dark chocolate in the evening is not only a comforting, guilt-free treat, but also a scientifically backed way to feed your skin's overnight repair team. It's like giving your skin a little luxury that truly works while you sleep. What to avoid before bed. Just as important as what to eat is what to avoid. The primary culprits are high glycemic foods and excessively salty snacks. Foods like white bread, cookies, and sugary drinks cause a rapid spike in blood sugar.
This triggers inflammation and a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach and damage your collagen and elastin fibers, actively working against your goal of firmer skin. So there you have it. 6 potent foods that do more than just taste good. They fuel your skin's overnight repair from the inside out. We just covered dark chocolate, rich in collagen-boosting flavonols, kiwi with Greek yogurt, vitamin C plus amino acids for firm skin, mixed berries, antioxidant and vitamin C boost for collagen, walnuts and flax seeds, omega fats to hydrate and fight inflammation, avocado, healthy fats and vitamin E for plumper skin, green tea, decaf, polyphenols to protect skin and boost elasticity. The power to influence how your skin ages is on your plate. By making these small, intelligent choices, you are taking a powerful step toward nourishing your skin from its deepest layers. So there you have it. 6 simple, science-backed bedtime foods that do more than just taste good. They actively fuel your skin's overnight repair from the inside out. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and join our Nitro Wellness family. Every week, I share easy, natural tips to help you feel strong, radiant, and confident at every age. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Here's to glowing skin and feeling strong no matter your age.